Welcome back to another exciting season of brand building. This time we're diving into something close to the heart, a Naga Cuisine restaurant set up in Kamanahalli, Bangalore, a niche market filled with flavor and culture. Let's kick off episode 1 and uncover how this brand journey begins.
Back home, everything began around the fire. The stories, the wisdom, the courage to face life. Together, we called that place Longshim. But when we came to the city, something inside us went quiet. The fire we grew up with, the stories, the warmth, the togetherness, all of it felt far away. We didn't even realize how much we missed that feeling until the day we felt it again. This house, this symbol of who we are, reminded us of everything we wanted to bring back. Not just food, not just a restaurant, but a place where people gather again. A place that feels like Longshim. Longshim was once a place of learning, a place where the young sat with the old, a place where stories lived longer than people. And we thought to ourselves, what if we brought that spirit to Bangalore? What if Longshim wasn't just a memory, but a living space again? People think food is just taste, but for us, food is identity. Food is the fire that raised us. Our purpose is simple: to build a space where anyone who enters feels that warmth in their chest. A restaurant that feeds the soul, not just the stomach. It doesn't matter that it's on the 4th floor, because when people step inside Longshim, it won't feel like a building. It will feel like stepping back into a story. This is where we will revive the fire. But to build Longshim, we needed more than an idea. We needed a design that carried the weight of our ancestors and the dreams of our children. In the next episode, we begin designing the soul of Longshim.